Hey friends, if you wish to update AMD graphics card drivers on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Now, I have an AMD Radeon graphics card adapter. So, I will right click on it and select Update Drivers to update it. You can do the same thing. If this doesn't work, then right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, click on Advanced Options in the right pane, select Optional Updates, select Driver Updates, choose any driver update that is available, select Download and Install, return to the Windows Update page and make sure that it's downloading and installing, else click on Check for Updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.